Hobart Hurricanes Women vs Brisbane Heat Women, Women Big Bash League 2023, match number 24, Brisbane Heat Women won the toss, elected to field first. Hobart Hurricanes Women playing 11. Brisbane Heat Women playing 11. Lizelle Lee, 1 runs. Ellis Villani captain, 58 runs. Bryony Smith, 11 runs no wicket. Heather Graham, 1 runs 1 wickets. Nicola Carey, 1 runs no wicket. Naomi Stalenberg, 2 runs. Ruth Johnston, 26 runs no wicket. Hayley Silver Holmes, 6 runs 1 wickets. Molly Strano, 1 runs 1 wickets. Amy Smith, 2 runs no wicket. Shabneem Ismail, did not bat 1 wickets. Hobart Hurricanes Women total innings score 120 at loss of 8 wickets, after 20 overs. Grace Harris, 1 runs. Georgia Redmayne, 16 runs. Amelia Kerr, 59 runs 2 wickets. Mignon Dupreez, 13 runs. Charlie Knott, 21 runs 2 wickets. Georgia Wall, 7 runs no wicket. Jess Jonasson captain, did not bat 1 wickets. Bess Heath, did not bat. Michaela Hintley, did not bat. Nicola Hancock, did not bat no wicket. Courtney Grace Sipel, did not bat 2 wickets. Brisbane Heat Women total innings score 124 at loss of 4 wickets, after 17.2 overs. Heat won by 6 wickets, with 16 balls remaining. Player of the match, Amelia Kerr for 2 wickets and 59 runs. Points table, Brisbane Heat Women is at top with 10 points in 6 matches.